Tutaka tu maswali kidogo alafu mtaturuhusu tuendelee na program ya leo. So yes, karibuni. Maybe you can say something and then from there we'll give the day's program.
Mine is just to say asanteni sana for the support. It's been overwhelming. Very big thank you to Chebi and Terence. For those who don't know, hao ndio wamepanga hii yote. And Jalas. Walinipigia Jalas pamoja na Churchill na Terence wakaniweka kwa 3-way call. We were to bury Fred last Saturday, ndio?
Yes, immediately.
Nikapigiwa na Terence na Jalango na Churchill wakaniambia Freddy ni ndugu yako lakini matanga si yako. Yeah? So they told me he's your brother but the funeral is not yours. So they took over everything. Waka-organize show Kanivo. It was overwhelming. Watu walikuja sana. Waka-raise do over a million shillings. Wakenya pia wakalitumia do. So the support has been overwhelming from Lynn, from Mama Lynn, from the media, yani kila mtu. Asante sana Terence kwa kunitoa jela. Nishika siku mbaya sana. But ni sawa. So mine is just to say thank you. Wacha tupeleke to bro home tumpumzishe. Mimi nimepumzika vizuri sana. Tumekuwa ushago tukipanga na nikipumzika pia. So sema kitu.
Mine is to say thank you Kenyans for supporting Eric. And I feel this time may give back, vile wana give back to you, and I appreciate that so much. May Fred's soul rest in eternal peace. He was such a nice person.
Onjiri?
Yes. So we have maybe Sandra can say something. Sandra, we have worked with him this journey. Aseme mawili matatu, then I'll give you what we need to do after here.
Yeah.
Machache.
So yeah, machache kwa ufupi. Thank you so much guys for coming. It is so sad. You know, as a country we are mourning. And we'll continue to mourn for some time. But losing Fred Omondi was, I don't know, it's so sad. So sad. Hiyo ndio njia yetu sisi wote. Najua tutaenda, time ndio tujui ni gani. But let's celebrate him for a life well lived. Amen?
Amen.
Kwa mafupi nimemaliza. Pole sana Eric Omondi, I love you so much from the deepest part of my heart. Pole sana.
Nzuri tunakupenda pia.
Asante sana Omondi Eric. Pole sana.
We have organized transport for people who will want to go to see of our brother. Nasema see of because me bado but we take it as it is. And we are here mourning Fred Omondi. We are also aware of whatever is happening around us as Kenyans. Yeah. So tumalize tu hii kwanza, then we'll pick up the rest from where we are. When you want transport, we have organized transport. Tutakuwa pale. For now we'll have a mass there kidogo. Then from there we'll give you the program of the day. From Fred is supposed to be taking off in a few. He'll be flown to Kisumu, then to Sega. So tutaki kumchelewesha masaa yake ya ndege pia.
Thank you to Kupa.
Yeah. Thank you so much to Kupa and everyone else who have supported us. So tuende pale ndani tutakuwa na mass and then from there we can pick from there. Asanteni.
So before we all go inside.
Yes.
Let's allow the direct pass to go.
Zainabu. Nani nataka twende pepe.
Teremke tu chini. Teremke tu chini tunakuja. So
Saja.